Okay, Joe was comparing sale prices of two stores at a mall to decide where to buy his new jeans. The two stores' sales banners are shown below. We have store A and then store B right there. If Joe plans to buy one pair of jeans, which store offers a better deal after the discount? So store A is regular $36 with a 25% discount. Store B $32 with a 10% discount. So I'll shrink this down. We're going to start with store A. This is actually, we're just trying to figure out what the percent, really we're taking the mark off, really is what this is when we did markup and mark down. So we're taking the mark down, a discount off here. So we're going to start with store A. Regular price $36. It's a 25% discount. So let's turn that percent to a decimal. We'll move the decimal over two places, 0.25. And then we're just going to multiply. Once we multiply, we'll actually have to move the decimal place over 2. And need my multiplication sign in there, I guess. But when you multiply our first row, we should get 180. 5 times 6 was 30. Carry the 3. 5 times 3 is 15. Plus 3 is 18. Place our 0. Then do our 2 times 6 and 2 times 3. We should get a 7 and a 2. And when we add it all up, we should get $9, moving the decimal back 2 places. So the discount for store A is $9. So the regular price was $36 right here. And we're going to subtract $9 right there. When we do the subtraction, we get $27. So the total price for one pair of jeans at store A is going to be $27. Now we're going to do the same thing for store B. Store B has a regular normal price of $32 with a 10% discount. So we're going to turn the percent into a decimal just like we did last time. Draw our line, set up for multiplication, move the decimal over. We get a row of zeros to start with because we have all zeros in here. And then we move on to the 1, which is pretty straightforward. We get what looks like 320, but once you move the decimal back, it's $3.20. So a smaller discount, and if we start at $32 and we subtract 320, we get $28.80. So when you compare the two and it says which store offers the better deal after the discount, well, $27 is going to be a better in that store A. So when we read our choices here, choice A says store A because store B is more expensive after the discount. And that sounds right to me because store B is more expensive after the discount. When you read all the other ones, the second one says store B, which is not true. The C says store A because store B is less expensive. Well, that's not true. They just kind of changed the wording up. So the best answer for number 5 right there, mark up, mark down, is choice A.